Okay, so there is big news right now, and that is Focal's new 1000 series in-wall speakers. They launched a new line. So these are premium in-wall speakers, and as well as in-wall subwoofers and in-wall height in-ceiling speakers as well. So this is really premium. If you're looking for some of the very best discrete speaker setup, you should be looking at a 1000 series speakers designed and produced by the French brand Focal. So what you're getting with this setup is a better tweeter design, better driver that is still using the same old Focal Beryllium setup. So it's still built on the Beryllium technology. The in-wall subwoofers are very powerful, but they don't have large drivers. The subwoofers have around 6.5 inch drivers, but I'll get to subwoofers later. For now, the setup they have, they're consisting of a few models in this lineup. So the first one is the flagship Focal 1000 IWLCR in-wall speaker. This is the like I would say their flagship cream of the crop speaker in this lineup. This is the one that if you really want the best of the best, this is the one to buy. It's the IWLCR. It is coming with a 6.5 inch bass driver, two 3-inch mid-range drivers, as well as a very good dispersion technology that give you all these wide soundstage that you get in very super high-end speaker. It is priced at $7,500 or €7,000, depending on where you're buying it from. And if you want the subwoofer to pair up with it, get the Focal 1000 IWSUB. It's an in-wall setup, so it is a very well made sub that has a triple 6.5 inch bass driver, and it's pretty expensive. It's priced at $2,800 or 2,600 pounds, which is on the expensive side of things. If you want a much smaller setup than the other 7,500 in-wall flagship, you can get the IWLC R6. That is a three-way in-wall speaker that can still serve as your LCR. That is a little bit more reasonable in price at $2,700. It is able to pair with their in-ceiling speaker, their ICL-CR5. That can serve as your Atmos setup if you want that, but it's still expensive. It's priced at $2,200. Another one that you can get for your surrounds are the 1000 IW6. That is priced at $1,800. Very expensive as well. The only most affordable the only affordable speaker in this lineup is the final insulin speaker, the ICW6, which is priced at $1,100. Is the most affordable, but you can use it for Atmos, or you can still use it for your full setup, but it's not technically gonna give you everything that you may desire, but it is the most affordable in that lineup, still using the same Beryllium setup and all that. So if you really want the best flush home theater experience, this is the way to go. Focal, they are proving themselves. They are an amazing brand. They really have nothing to prove as it is right now. They make fantastic headphones, fantastic speakers. So you can go check it out. Just always make sure to still follow us on our YouTube channel. Do subscribe, like our content, follow our social media. I'll see you guys next time.